Hey guys, how are you guys? How are you guys? Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, depending the time you're watching this video and your time zone that you are watching this video. How are you guys, my people? Good morning. Today is Sunday. I've not gone to church because of 1, 2, 3 again. So I have a short video for you. I just want to boil this. You know, when you go to five-star hotel, they have different type of bananas. Is that they normally remove the top layer, they peel and then they boil. There's that they fry with tomatoes, with everything, spices. But this one I'm going to cook in our ancestral way. I used to see my grandma do this and we used to not like it. Yeah, imagine you're from school hungry and then you go home, you find something like this on the pot there waiting for you. You just start crying. Then later I have come to realize that this is the best way to cook your banana. Yes, my people, this is the best way to cook your banana. You just boil the way I'm doing. After this you can peel and fry. After this you can peel, put spices. After this you can eat the way it is. So I'm gonna boil this the way it is, and then I'm gonna have it with tea because it's morning. So welcome guys, and thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing. Thank you, my people. I love you so much. I love you so much, guys. I love you so much. So you put salt on top and water, and then you cover it just like that, and then you cover it, guys. You leave it for 20 minutes and your banana will be ready. Only 20 minutes and your banana will be ready. So let us check. Let us check. And hubby was just aside. He was just seated aside, confusing me with the stories. That's why you see me looking aside as I talk to you. So after 20 minutes, our banana is ready. It's ready. And you see the way it's yellow inside. Let me tell you something. You see the way it is. See the way that banana is. The way it is, like that. In a 5-star hotel, please go and ask. Go and ask for this. You'll be shocked. These two. Go and ask for these two. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked the amount that you are gonna pay for these two bananas here. So you can do that to your banana if you have it, especially for those people who don't want to make their hands dirty. This is the easiest way. This is the easiest way to cook your banana. You can do this and peel it later, the way I'm doing, and then you add tomato, onions, any spices of your wish. Anything, you can deep fry it or put it in air fryer. By the way, after this you can put it in air fryer again. And then you take it with tea, either with tea or with meat. Yeah, boil your beef very well and then add this inside, mix it well, then you have your meal. There is our banana. It's ready. It is ready to be eaten. And on top of this is hot and sweet. You can add on top. So I'm gonna do that. This one I'm preparing for hubby to take this. He loves hot things. Chili, you add that on top. And there you go, guys. There you go. 5-star recipe at home. 5-star recipe at home. Half an hour, you have your meal. Looks yummy, tastes yummy. So try this, my people, try this, please. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking. Continue doing so, and know that I love you so much. Bye bye.